Riu ni gikeno kuri andu 6,000 na aria mari aruti a wira mugunda wa mahua wa kambuni ya Karuturi mwena wa Naivasha thutha wa mwene mugunda uyu Ram Karuturi kuiguithaniria uria mugunda uyu ugukorwo ukihingurwo na mathiri mothe mariho. Ndeto ino yukite oriri amwe aria mari aruti a wira a kambuni ino mathiete na mbere kunyaririka kumana na mathina matiganite tondu haha niho mahocetie muturire wao. Kuringana na mutafariri munene wa mugunda uyu Samson Ouda, igoti ni riathire aria othe makuruhanitio na ndeto ino gukorwo makiguithaniria nja wa igoti.
And we are praying that the remaining issues which they are still discussing should be fastened so that it can come back early and rescue people who are struggling.
Oho Ouda ni augite ni maiguithanirie na munene mugunda uyu kuriha mathiri mothe ma tene.
If there will be a remaining balance which is very to CFC, let him do the necessary, pay them back, then you come back and rescue your people.
Wona mugunda uyu warikia kuhingurwo ringi ugukorwo ukiguna makiria ya aikari 3,000 aria makoretwo makigerera mathina maingi. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.